Like, this is the best fat burning breakfast that will help you burn your belly fat, lose some calories, nourish your system with nutrients, fill you up, and you feel eating much later in the day. That way you lose weight so fast without eating a lot. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient we need is orange, because it helps to soften your tummy, improve digestion. That way you easily pass out stuffs, excess waste in your system. Like, you easily pass, when you don't digest food well, that is how it builds up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So oranges will help you to easily pass out stuffs you eat, so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Very good for digestion and boost your metabolism as well. It helps to boost your immunity for utmost health. Plus, it contains vitamin C and other vitamins to promote good health. The second ingredient is prunes. If you haven't been adding this in your smoothies and you're looking to lose some belly fat, please kindly get some prunes. You can find it in any food market. You find it. What you need is just like 3 to 4 of these. You don't need a lot. So just buy this and keep at home. It helps to improve your digestion, boost your metabolism. You easily visit your restroom. Like, this is so good for digestion. That way you burn everything you eat, nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So that is it. This is the much I use to add in my smoothie. Just 4 of it and it goes a long way. So this is it, prawns. Make sure you rinse and you set that aside. Very, very good. The next thing I add in here is lemon. Lemon, because of the good acids in lemon, to help flush bad acids in the system, causing belly fat, weight gain, and constipation, bloating, all those things. It relieves you of gases, sugars in your system, and salts, sodium. Like, this is so good. Lemons are very good to always add them in your smoothies. Lemons or lime. Yeah, so what you want to do is to get your lemon peel, slice up and take out the seeds. You don't need the seeds. Take out the seeds, slice into some good little sizes, and you're good. Very good for boosting metabolism and as well as boosting your immune system for utmost health. The vitamin C will help to fight the effects of free radicals, slowing down your metabolism, and you easily burn fat, lose weight so fast. So that is it. Set that aside. One lemon, you set it aside. The next thing you want to add in here is cinnamon. Cinnamons are very good at cleansing your tummy. They clean your tummy, boost your system to burn fats, and like, when you pass stuffs out, that is how you easily lose weight. The next thing, which is our base, which is loaded with a lot of fiber and this enzyme bromelain to help you boost fat burning, is pineapples. I love me some pineapples because they contain a lot of fiber to fill you up the whole morning, and you feel like eating much later in the day. Plus, they help boost your metabolism to lose weight so fast. So this is it, and I add some ginger as well. Not a lot of ingredients. Please just add some ginger just to help heat up your system to burn that fat so fast as well. Ginger is very good at boosting your metabolism, heating up your system to burn fat so fast, helping you with bloating and constipation, relieving those gases in your tummy, and you easily lose belly fat, activate your system, and like, this is so good for fat burning. So this is a thumb size of ginger. You want to get your ginger, wash thoroughly, slice up into some good little sizes, and we are good. So voila, this is our ginger. Now, these are the ingredients. I'll share with you the measurement of the cinnamon. What you want to do is to get your blender, put in your ingredients. That is the pineapple. You put in your blender. I will share with you how to consume this, so make sure you watch to the end so you understand how to consume. That is the prunes. I added 4. The ginger, thumb size of ginger, 1 lemon, 1 orange, and this is the cinnamon. So cinnamon, you want to measure half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Yeah, that is the much you want to use, just half a tablespoon. So this is half of my tablespoon. You add it in there, and I add in some ice cubes just to have this chilled. When you consume it chilled, it gets so yummy and so nice. So this is it. Now you want to blend to get a very smooth smoothie. So you blend to get a smooth smoothie. This is like nutrient bomb, nutrient dense. This is so rich with a lot of nutrients to nourish your system, boost your metabolism, activate your system to break fast so fast, plus fuel you up the whole morning, and you feel like eating much later in the day, and it help while helping you burn fat so fast. So these are 2 cups. So this will give you 2 cups that will take you breakfast and dinner time. So eating like this helps you put less calories in your system, but helping you lose weight so fast. So this is your meal for the day. You're having 1 cup in the morning, one at bedtime, and you can eat something light at lunch. Make sure it is healthy, and you will tell me. This is so fat burning. It will cleanse your tummy of fats, cleanse your system, and you will end up so healthy. I have pictures of me on Instagram with my recipes, how they have helped me improve my body size to be fit and healthy without that chunky big belly I used to have before. Like, I used to have a very big belly before, but these recipes have helped me so much. If you've been watching my videos, you know I said I had I was pre-diabetic. I went for checkups for my yearly checkups, and I was pre-diabetic, and I had to do holistic health. These recipes have helped me get back my health, lose those calories, because what causes diseases is excess weight. When you're too big, you are easily prone to those diseases. Those excess fats in your system, they cause high cholesterol, cause high blood pressure, hypertension, fatty liver. All those situations are because of excess fats in the system. So once you're flushing your system, losing those calories, weight, bad fats, that is how you end up very healthy as well. Yeah, so these are the recipes. I don't share them just for you to gain your shape, healthy body size, but you need to be healthy as well. You are having these recipes to be healthy and live longer, free of diseases and sicknesses, and be healthy, have a healthy body size. Not necessarily skinny, but just looking healthy without excess fats in your system. So this is it. I just enjoyed my recipe, my first sip of the day. That is the first sip I just had. This is my breakfast. I'll have the remaining at dinner time, and I'll eat something light in the afternoon. That is how you activate your system to burn fat so fast. And you watch yourself eating this. Like, if you have this every day, that is how you'll be losing weight, belly fat every day as well, till you get to that shape you really want, and maintain it with this as well. So this is so healthy for, like, to add in your daily life. Yeah, so you want to share this video with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.